Before we get started, I'm going to tell you we're doing a hand sensitivity experiment. For this experiment, you will need one bowl, one measuring cup. This is a 4, but you will only need 1.5, so if you got that, that works too. Tap water, make sure it's cold, and plenty of ice cubes. Okay, I took 1 cup of water and I poured it in here. And then I took half a cup of ice and poured it in here, and I weighed it on my scale. Okay? Now, my ice cubes have already melted, but that's how you want them, so that water is colder. And then I took somebody's left hand and placed it in. 3 minutes later, we took it out. And you also need a towel, because it's really messy. Okay. After this, you will most likely, you won't most likely, you will have to replace this water to make sure it stays the same temperature. Make sure you measure it with your thermometer. If I haven't already told you this, you will need a thermometer, a stopwatch, and a scale to measure your ice. Thermometer to measure the water, and a stopwatch to keep time. Okay, now you need to wait 30 minutes before you do your other hand. And replace this water while you're at it. That I'm showing you. Replace this water. You will need to wait 30 minutes before you put your other hand in, simply because you want to make sure your hand is about the same temperature, because you don't want it to already be cold and then have to take it out again, or your results will not be accurate. So therefore, just wait 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes later, I have replaced my water, and I'm placing the right hand in. It has been about 5 minutes now. I've been pausing my video so you won't get the time, and I am taking my hand out. Okay, I have to dry off my hand. And now I have got my results that my right hand can stay on longer than the left. In my case, my right hand is my dominant one. Okay, so now that we've got this all done, thanks for watching. Now make sure you clean up your mess. Or not, I don't care.